Hey friends, if you encounter the error DNS lookup for website failed system.net.sockets.socketexception, I will guide you through two solutions only. The first one is to flush the DNS cache, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS and hit enter. It says successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And the second one, which will definitely work, is to use Google's DNS server. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. Right click on Wi-Fi and select properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select it and use the following DNS server addresses: 8.8.8.8, and the next one is 8.8.4.4, and then click on OK. And then click on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.